YouTube just deleted a channel I knew. Full deletion, not demonetized. And the funny thing is that the creator had no idea why his channel was deleted. But I do, and I'm going to show you some of these reasons in this video. So if you're making videos right now, whether you're faceless or showing your face, this video could literally save your channel because YouTube isn't playing anymore. The rules have changed. Hello and welcome to Roke Studio. If you're new here, this is where we talk about real YouTube survival. Not just how to get views, but how to keep your channel alive. So if you're making videos on YouTube or you're planning to own a channel soon, you need to watch this. Drop a like now so you don't forget to watch this video to the end. So the first thing is to stop copying. Yes, stop copying. I see so many creators doing exactly what someone else is doing. They see a viral format and they copy the structure, the style, and everything. And they somehow think that's the fastest way to grow. But YouTube sees different. YouTube sees it that if you just copy someone else, why should they keep you? Why should they show your video to people when the original is out there and probably better? So here's what you should do instead. When you watch people's videos, especially those in the same niche as you, take what works out of it, but make it yours. Add your energy to it. Add your own way of thinking. Add that thing that only you can bring to the table. That's what's called being authentic. When you're being yourself, YouTube will notice you and they'll do everything to make sure your channel stays alive. The second thing is to show your face if you can. Before now, faceless channels used to work and people were making serious money from it. But that's changing really fast. YouTube is prioritizing channels where you can actually see the real person because people easily connect with people, not robots. Now, if you can't show your face, maybe you're shy or maybe you don't want to be recognizable, then at least add some human element to your videos. You can use your voice, your real voice, not some AI voiceover that sounds like a robot reading a textbook. Use your actual voice with your accents, with your personality, with the way you actually talk. Because if everything is AI without any human element, YouTube will know. And they are starting to penalize it. So even if you're faceless, please inject yourself into your content. The third thing is to stop reacting to other people's videos. Stop doing compilations. Stop featuring other people's content as your main thing. I know reaction videos and compilations used to get views, but YouTube is now cracking down hard on this right now. They are seeing it as low effort content that doesn't add real value. And honestly, they are right. If you're just playing someone else's video and talking over it, what are you really adding? Your audience can as well go and watch the original video. Why do they need your version? So please do the work, do the research, create something that's actually yours, something that only you can make because of your knowledge, your perspective, and your experience. Yes, that takes more time and it's actually harder, but it keeps your channel alive and it keeps you out of copyright trouble too. The last thing, and this is the foundation of everything else, is that every single video you post should either educate, entertain, or inspire someone. That's the bar right now. YouTube is literally removing videos that don't do any of these three things. If your video is just there, if it's not teaching anyone anything or making anyone laugh or smile, or if it's not making anyone feel better or motivated, YouTube doesn't want it. So before you upload a video on YouTube, ask yourself one question. Is this going to help someone? Is this going to make their day better somehow? If the answer is no, please don't post it yet. Go back and fix it. That's how you stay safe and relevant. And that's how your channel can survive what's going on right now. So that's it. 4 things. Be authentic, show yourself or add humanity, use only your original content, and make videos that actually matter. If you do those 4 things, your channel is going to be fine and it's going to grow. So if this helped you, please hit the like button. It takes 1 second and it tells YouTube that this video is worth showing to other creators like you. Also subscribe because every week I'm dropping videos that could save your channel and you don't want to miss them. And one more thing, please share this video to a creator friend because you might literally save their channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.